Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk Show. My name is Clara.
And I'm Mike.
Mike, how are you doing today? How was your weekend? Did you do anything exciting?
Well, I wouldn't say it was exciting. I actually went to the bank to apply for a loan, and it didn't go exactly as I planned.
Oh, really? What happened?
Applying for the loan was much harder than I expected. The bank asked for a lot of documents, and they had so many questions about my income, my job, and my financial history. By the end of the meeting, I was completely exhausted.
That sounds stressful, but it makes sense. Banks usually do a lot of background checks before they approve a loan.
Exactly. And I realized there are so many useful English expressions used during that process.
That actually sounds like a perfect topic for today's lesson. Do you want to talk about it?
Of course, I think our listeners can learn a lot of practical words and phrases from this situation.
All right, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a real-life situation, applying for a loan at a bank.
You'll hear a conversation between a customer and the bank officer, and there will be many useful expressions related to finance and loans.
So first, just listen to the conversation. Don't worry if you don't understand everything.
Later in the lesson, we'll break down the difficult words and phrases so you can understand them clearly.
So grab a coffee, relax, and let's begin.
Good morning. Welcome to Horizon Bank. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'm hoping to speak with someone about applying for a loan.
Absolutely. Our loan department handles that. Just head down the hall and you'll see Sarah at the second desk. She'll take it from there.
Great, thank you.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What can I help you with today?
Thanks. I'm interested in applying for a personal loan.
Of course. I'll walk you through the process step by step. To start with, may I ask what the loan will be used for?
I'm planning to renovate my apartment. Nothing too extravagant, just hoping to give the place a bit of a facelift.
That's actually one of the most common reasons people apply for loans.
Good to know I'm not the only one dealing with renovation chaos.
Trust me, you're in good company. Now, before we move forward, the bank usually reviews a few key factors: your income, employment history, and credit profile.
I had a feeling there would be a fair amount of paperwork.
You could say that. Paperwork definitely comes with the territory.
Well, I came prepared. I brought my payslips and bank statements.
Excellent. Preparation really helps streamline the process. Let me quickly pull up your credit profile in our system.
Okay.
Hmm.
That doesn't sound very encouraging.
Well, this is interesting.
Interesting good or interesting bad?
Mr. Mike, according to our records, there appears to be something unusual in your credit history.
Wait, what?
All right, everyone, let's pause the story right there.
Yes, because at that moment, I had absolutely no idea what was going on.
And that's exactly why this situation is interesting for English learners.
There were quite a few useful expressions related to loans, credit history, and financial discussions.
So before we continue the story, let's take a closer look at some of those words and phrases.
All right, let's dive a little deeper.
Walk you through the process. To explain something step by step so someone can understand it easily. Example: my manager walked me through the new software before I started using it. Give the place a facelift. To improve the appearance of something, make it look newer or better. Example: they painted the walls and changed the furniture to give the office a facelift. Fair amount of paperwork. A large number of documents that need to be completed. Example: applying for a visa usually involves a fair amount of paperwork. Comes with the territory, meaning something that is a normal or expected part of a job or situation. Example: late nights come with the territory when you work in the hospitality industry. Or you could say, dealing with difficult customers comes with the territory when you work in customer service. streamline the process, meaning to make a process faster, simpler, or more efficient. Example, the company introduced new software to streamline the hiring process. Pull up information, to access or display information on a computer. Example, let me pull up your account details in the system. Credit profile, a record of someone's borrowing history and financial reliability. Example, banks usually check your credit profile before approving a loan. Lending inquiries, questions or requests related to borrowing money. Example, the bank receives many lending inquiries every day.
All right, everyone. Now that we've gone through the conversation and explored the key words and phrases, we hope everything is much clearer.
Yes, and that was part 1 of our story. As you heard, something unusual appeared in my credit history.
So the big question is, what actually happened next?
We'll find out in the next video where the conversation continues at the bank.
In the meantime, we hope you were able to pick up some useful words and expressions while enjoying the story.
A quick tip, go back and listen to the conversation again. Try shadowing. Repeat the sentences at the same time or in your own words. This is a great way to improve both your listening and speaking skills.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Your support really helps us bring you more interesting and practical English lessons.
And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions.
Stay tuned to see what happens next in Mike's loan story.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Bye for now.